Hi. So for your lesson for today, for October, let me check the date to be double sure, October 14th, you're going to be completing an ed puzzle about how the U.S. Constitution works and also talks about the Bill of Rights. And this is going to be covering information found on pages 107 to 110 of your book, which you're welcome to look at if you want to reinforce what we're learning. And you're going to watch the ed puzzle, and then you're going to complete the questions that go along with the ed puzzle. And then one other thing I want you to do is I want you to look on page 108 of our book, and you're going to read the section that's called The Genius of American Government. And then, after you have read that, you're going to write in one sentence what you think the genius of American government is based upon your reading of page 108. And that's your assignment for today. Thank you.